Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make 10k a month using my method, and this is how I make 10k a month. Some people are going to ask me how, but this is how I make 10k a month. I make 10k a month by blogging. My actual blogging is I write reviews about affiliate marketing stuff. I write reviews about products and I get commissions from people. I get like 30% commissions and stuff. I'm gonna go use it. I'm gonna try use it. I'm gonna go here. This is my testing account because I can't show you my real account. He has my details and the products that I use. So this is my testing account. So this is how you go find products. Then you go to the one that's actually selling. You get the link. This is how you get the link, or you request for a link. You write here, so you go here. This is what you write. Go and you use this prompt. Then you paste it here. Then you go back and you get what of your market products is yours. That you want to promote. And it's called AL funnels. So I go to delete this part. Delete this part. I put AL funnels. Then I start typing. Then I'm gonna get a review about it, and this is completely free. There's no need to spend money. So this is how you make 10k. I'm gonna show you now. So please subscribe for more content. I know it's really important. Now that it's done, you copy it. Then you go write it. You write this. Then you write this is important stuff. This is important. You write AI funnels review. You make a little clickbait, right? Is it worth it? Then then you need to add images if you want, but this is how you put the link. You right click here, to get access of funnels. When you do that, go back to your link, get link, you copy it, then paste it, you copy, you go there, you paste it, keep pasting it. Make sure you kind of scan it, but don't spam it a lot. You keep pasting, paste, just keep pasting. You go publish it, then you publish now, and that's it. This is how you make 10k a month just in 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching, and please